Hey, this is Lisa with Inspire to Thrive. Today, I have a great new tool that you're going to love. It's called Pin Generator. It saved me so much time a week creating pins for Pinterest. I think you're really going to love this tool. It's only $16.99 a month, and I'm going to have a link at the end that you can get a month free, and I'll get a month free. If you share it with someone else, you get another month free, and someone else gets a month free. But it's so easy to use. It used to take 4 to 6 hours a week creating pins. And then I had my freelancer create pins for me. So now with this new tool, it frees up time for me to grow my business and for my freelancer to go on to something else, like maybe doing some infographics instead. So I think you're gonna love it. Let's go and check out Pin Generator. Here's the tool. It is called Pin Generator, and I would give it more than a minute. They say that you can do a month for a minute. I like to do a little bit more than that. You'll see why. So if you hit the generate button on your account, all you have to do is put in a URL. So I have my website and I'm going to ask for 48 pins. I want to get some more this time, 48. And generating pins will remove all the ones that they showed from the last time you were there. And it only takes a minute or two to generate all these pins that they get from your website. When you first sign up under your account, you can put your colors in font, which I've done, and the brand settings, which is the logo. And you'll see that in some of the pins that they may create here. As you can see, it's got the oranges there, which is part of the brand color. So they have all different types, as you can see. And I don't always like all of them, so I would never do the bulk. That's something you can do, but I'm not comfortable with that. I like this one. And I always hit the edit because I want to do the all images. So that's why I say it takes a little bit more than a minute to schedule all of them, but it doesn't take long. E-commerce business tip, I'm going to call that. And we have online business, I think it's called. Yep, online business. And save. And then after you save it, you just have to hit the schedule. It puts it right into a queue, which I'll show you after how you can set up that. And I think it's 4 pins now a day. I like this one, how to stay calm. Stay calm. And customer, nothing for customer, huh? What do we have? How to. How-to guides. It's a little how-to guide. We're going to save that. And we're going to hit that add to a queue. So that's basically it. If you don't like the pins, you can, ask for more. I think I'll do just one more. Which one do they want to do? No, no, no. There's one more that I liked here. Ah, this one. That is, I think that was the PayPal accounts. Payment, yeah. Payments, make a business transactions. Business transactions for payments, we'll call it. And I'm going to do this for the online business. I usually don't like doing two. I'm going to switch it up. Save. And I just like the format of this pin, how it looks. Cancel. I want to just put right to the queue. I don't want to pick the date. So now you go look at your schedule and you'll see everything that you've got in there. So I've got the 23rd, the 24th. I've got 5. And I've got 5. I thought I switched that up. Let's see. Edit scheduling setting. We're going to do 4 save settings. I didn't save it. That's why. And let's refresh it. See if it does it right away. It may take till the next time I schedule. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, it looks like till the next time you schedule. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Yep. So it's doing it now. So that's pretty much it. You've got templates you can choose from. You can create your own. You can have them do their own, which I've done with this generator. And you've got some options with the settings. Again, I have my brand in there. I've got this says set your logo. I've got the logo. Sometimes you'll see the logo in the images, sometimes not. You have some AI options as well to rewrite all the titles with AI. That's kind of a cool one. I kind of like that. Let's do it quickly, see what happens. Yeah, it's just, ooh, I like this a lot. I'm actually going to use this one because this is a brand new article. I compared Blue Sky to Twitter. So we're going to call this all Twitter 24/7. That's a popular board. Add to queue. Did I add the image? I'm not sure I did on that one, but you've seen how to do that. We'll see if we can find one more. Small blog, generate traffic. That's a nice one. Um, Blogging tips. And I'm sure we got some blogging boards. I had a lot of those. Let's see. How to, not really. Tips and tricks, yes. And tips and tricks, we're going to hit save. And this is going to go right into add to the queue. So that's it. It's really easy. As you saw, it didn't take long to do a bunch of these. I love the title thing. That's something I learned. Every time I make a video showing you what can be done with the tool, I learn something new. So there's a lot to this tool. And oh, the pricing I wanted to show you. It's very inexpensive. I'm using a starter, $16.99 a month, and you get 3 to 6 pins a day. I was doing 5. I just went down to 4. I thought it was too much. I saw my reach coming down, so I wanted to kind of play with that. And you have unlimited Pinterest profiles. So if you manage Pinterest for someone, you can also use theirs to do it. Something I haven't done yet that I could. And the A Writer tool, we just learned how that works to change your titles and descriptions. I really like that feature too. If you want to go pro, it's still very affordable. So for the $16.99, I'm going to have a link in the videos that you can use to get your first month free. I think I also get a month free. And if you share it, you get a month and someone else gets a month free. So it's a cool little thing. But it's called Pin Generator. It is going to save you a ton of time. I had a freelancer that was generating these pins for me, monthly, and now she's going to do some other work for me instead. So it's going to help me build my business quicker. I hope you've enjoyed this video and have a great day. Thank you.